St. Peter Julian's Church is a Eucharistic shrine located on George Street, in the heart of Sydney's Chinatown. The church is in the pastoral care of the Blessed Sacrament Congregation and is named after St. Peter Julian Aymard 1811 to 1868, who founded the congregation in France in 1856. A religious community of priests and brothers live in the monastery attached to St. Peter Julian's Church. Masses are celebrated throughout the week, including in Cantonese and Korean. Also in Indonesian on first and third Saturday, and Filipino during first Sunday of the month. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Sydney, Australia vlogs. Have you had the chance to visit Sydney, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Outside the rostered times of daily masses and other services, St. Peter Julian's Church is an oasis of silence and peace in the center of the city, a place of welcome and meeting, and a shrine of prayer and adoration in the setting of exposition of the Blessed Sacrament. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.